The main riff for Starburster by Fontaines D.C starts on the 5th fret of the A string. I'm going to hold this for 3 beats, go into the open A string on the 4th beat, and then immediately to the 1st fret of the A string on the 1st beat of the next bar. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th beat of the second bar, we'll go to 3. So we have the 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fret, open 1, 3rd, and then we kind of repeat but with a different ending. So it's 5, 1, 2, 3, open 1st fret, then we've got 3rd fret on the low E, going back to the open A string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that repeats. There's a little chord section in the song, it sounds like this. It's basically the top of like a C bass chord, the C over G chord, but moved up a couple of frets. And we have 5th fret with the 3rd finger on the E string, and the pinky finger on the 5th fret of the A, and then the 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the G. And we just want to hear these 3 strings really, and we're going to strum down in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we'll shift up 1 fret to 6, 6 and 5, and then we'll play here for 6 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. We're going to play this 3 times. On the last time we start off exactly the same way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and when we move up a fret we just play this 4 times. 1 and 2 and. It's also an awesome riff to play later on in the song. It's 7 on the G string, pulling off to 5, and then 8 on the D string, pulling off to 7. So 3rd finger, pulling off to 1st, and pinky, pulling off to 3rd. So the 1st time, and the 2nd time, then we're going to catch the 7th fret again on the D string there. We'll repeat again, but without the 7th fret on the D string, and then again, and then we're going to move up to 8, pulling off to 7 on the D string, 2nd to 1st finger, and then pinky pulling off to the 2nd finger, 10 to 8 on the A string. That happens twice too. So. Before we go to the outro, there's a little link on the guitar. It's just the 6th fret on the low E string, played 4 times.